Nick was a vintage collector in upstate New York. One day he found an old Royal typewriter at a flea market, dusty, dented, and only $5. The seller whispered, "It writes what it remembers." Nick thought it was a weird joke, until that night. At 3:17 a.m., the typewriter started clacking on its own. Lines appeared on the paper. "I watched you sleep. I was in the hallway. You didn't see me, but I saw you." He froze. No one else was in the house. Night after night, the typewriter typed more. Memories, names, events Nick had never lived, but always ending with, "Now I live in you." The twist? Every person who owned the typewriter before him vanished. And the final page it ever typed? Nick was next. Some antiques carry more than history.